Keep your family safe and healthy without harsh, harmful chemicals with the UV Care Multipurpose Sterilizer. The UV Care Multipurpose Sterilizer eliminates harmful germs, bacteria, viruses, allergens, and molds using UVC Lite technology. UVC Lite is used to sterilize community drinking water, factories, hospitals, and airplanes all over the world. Now you can safely use this technology for your family. The UV Care Sterilizer is great for sterilizing gadgets, remote controls, kitchen supplies, sponges, baby bottles, toys, makeup brushes, and groceries. It's even perfect for sterilizing reusable masks, including N95 masks. Get this revolutionary device today.